So this is where we're gonna do some our paddle boarding today with the girls. Hey girls. All right. Say hi. It's Emily. We're having a fun day paddleboarding with the girls. All right, this is the end of the day for them. They're really tired. Good job, girls. So great job. The girls had fun. All right, did you have fun?
Yes, I did.
All right, awesome. So this is where we're at, Sunset Beach. Ready to eat?
Yes.
What an awesome day.